Something that we have to all take very seriously. Farming is a way of life to a lot of us, and we let little things slip and slip and slip, and we at Grassmen try very, very hard to make sure that we endorse safety at all times, because it's something that we love and we don't want to be in the situation, and we have seen it many, many times where accidents do happen, tiredness creeps in, etc, etc. Look folks, Mizzle's starting to come on. I say thanks very much for inviting us down. I think it's fantastic that the school, when a school, young lads can come together and create and start at a young age and put other people first and start and work towards a greater goal. I think that's something we could all learn as a country, as a nation around the world. When young people start to realise that it's important to put other people and things first, I think that is fantastic, and it has the potential to be a movement if people can keep working. So you've great support from Grassmen. Now let's get these tractors going. Thank you very much.
Pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know?
harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's cold again. 'Cause I have other things to fill my time. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me at the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and block my ears. I can see where